Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. Let me tell you all the things I love about this storage cart. So one thing I really like is that it has 12 drawers, which is amazing. It's a lot of storage space. It doesn't take up too much room in our house, which is also really nice. These knobs are cute. They come right on it. The drawers are plastic. There's also different sizes, which is great. I got this so that I can put my son's schooling in here and activities. So we have like his sensory play in here, some paint things. There's so many drawers that you can fit so many different things. I like that they are long drawers as well. So they are able to hold a good amount of objects. It can hold a piece of paper as well, so it's good for notebooks, that kind of thing. I definitely recommend this. I love also that you have a storage top here, so I can store more organizational things up there. So definitely recommend it. Think you should try it out, and that is my point of view.